Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make citrus limetta at home, which is also called Mosambi juice. For that I have taken one jar. In that I have been added 2 citrus limetta which is peeled off, and I have been added 3 tablespoons of sugar, and you can add how much you really require. And then I'll grind it nearly for 2 minutes. Later on you can see I'll remove it. It is properly grinded. Later on I'll filter it such that all shell of this Mosambi will be separated easily by filtering it. You can see all the outer layer is separated easily. And that's it guys. I'm just using 2 ingredients, that is sugar and fruit. You can even make it better by removing the outer layer. And yeah, it will gonna reduce your thirsty in this hot season. Just try it out in your home. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.